Hi all, welcome back to C++ tutorial on Tute Fulcrum. This session is on increment and decrement operators in C++. An operator is a symbol which instructs the compiler to perform a specific task. An increment operator is a unary arithmetic operator which increments the operand value by 1. The symbol used to represent the operator is ++, and this increment operator could be used in two ways, pre-increment and post-increment. We say pre-increment when you place the operator before the operand. For example, if I say ++a, a is my operand. When I place the operator before that, it becomes a pre-increment operation. Post-increment, when I place the operator after my operand. For example, a++. A is the operand. I am placing the operator after that. So it refers to a post-increment operation. So pre-increment and post-increment operations have their own characteristics, behaviors. We'll understand that through a program. So let's create an integer entity, say a, and initialize it with a value. Let this be our operand. Now let me use another variable, say result, which is going to hold the result of our operation. So let's first see the behavior of pre-increment operation. So let me say ++a. So the variable result will hold the result of operation ++a. Let's verify the output using a cout statement. So I'll print the content of the variable result and I'll specify the variable name here. I'll just check the content of my operand as well. So my operand is a, so I'll specify the variable name as a. So our first cout statement is expected to give the output as 11 because the increment operation increments the value of the operand by 1. So initial value of my operand is 10. When you do an increment operation onto that, it will give the value 11, which is stored into the variable result. So when you print the same, it is expected to give the incremented value 11. Now after performing the operation, the operand also gets incremented. So this is also expected to give 11. Let's build and verify our program. So you can see your output here. The result is 11. Operand is also 11. So when you use a pre-increment operator onto an operand, the result of the operation as well as the operand gets updated to the incremented value. Now let's see the behavior of a post-increment operation. So I'm using the same code, only modification is in this part, so I'll make this post. So you have to use the operator after your operand. So when I say result equal to a++, it is a post-increment operation that is happening here and the result of that is taken to the variable result. Let's build and run this program and then analyze our output. Now you can see the difference here. The result is 10, but the operand value is 11. So when you perform a post-increment operation, the result of operation will be the old value of operand, but the operand will get updated. Moving to decrement operator, it's a unary arithmetic operator in C++ which decrements the value of the operand by 1. and the symbol that is used to represent the decrement operator is minus minus. As seen with the increment operator, you can use the decrement operator also in two ways: pre-decrement and post-decrement. The behaviors of pre-decrement and post-decrement is also in the same way as you have seen with the increment operator. Only difference here is the operand gets decremented. We'll see this with a program. So same program I'm using. Instead of increment operator, now I'll be using decrement. So let's see the behavior of a pre-decrement operation. So minus minus a. So when I write minus minus a, it is referring to a pre-decrement operation. So as seen with the pre-increment operation, the result as well as the operand will have the updated value after the operation. So since I'm decrementing the operand by 1, the result of the operation should give me an output as 9. Decrementing one value of your operand a, which is holding a value 10, will give 9. Now the operand will also get updated here, so that is also going to give the output as 9. Let's verify this. So we are getting the expected output here. The result as well as the operand is the updated value, that is 9. Now let's see what if I was doing a post decrement operation. So I'll modify this statement as a minus minus. So as seen with the post increment operation, the result will be the old value of your operand. So when I say old value, the initial value of my operand is 10. So this statement should give me the output as 10. But the operand will have the updated value. Updated value means whatever the value you get after performing the operation. So since decrement operation is happening here, the operand from 10 decrements by 1, and I'm expected to get an output as 9 here. Let's verify our output. Yes, as expected, the result is holding a value of 10 and operand is holding a value of 9. So these are the behaviors of increment and decrement operators in C++. They are very powerful and helpful operators, and we'll be using it multiple times as we proceed. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Please don't forget to tap the bell icon. You'll get notified whenever we upload our videos. Thank you.